Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To check and turn on in-app purchases, please follow the steps below. Go to Device Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Tap In-App Purchases. Check Allow.
Take our lead.
Change your App Store settings. Go to Settings, App Store. Then do any of the following. Automatically download apps purchased on your other Apple devices. Below Automatic Downloads, turn on Apps. Automatically update apps. Turn on App Updates.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Clear the cache and data of the Play Store. Open your device's Settings app. Tap Apps and Notifications. See All Apps. Scroll down and tap Google Play Store. Tap Storage. Clear Cache. Next, tap Clear Data. Reopen the Play Store and try your download again.
Take our lead.
Why this error? Can't download apps in iPhone. There can be many reasons such as poor internet connection, low storage space on your iOS device, a bug in the App Store, faulty iPhone settings, or even a restriction setting on your iPhone that prevent the apps to download.
Take our lead.
App Store app missing on iPhone or iPad. Launch Settings app on your iOS device. Now, tap on Screen Time. Now Content and Privacy Restriction. Next, you have to enter your restrictions passcode. Now tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Click on Installing Apps. Now, make sure the switch next to Installing Apps is on. If in case it's off, turn it on.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you believe you deleted the App Store, go back to Settings to Screen Time to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then, tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. Make sure it says next to Install Apps, Deleting Apps, and In-App Purchases. If one of these options says Don't Allow, tap on it, then tap Allow.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.